Hello my dear students and welcome back again. Today I am going to start class 5th English grammar 8th chapter, and that is the use of preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun. It shows what relationship that noun or pronoun has with some other words or phrase. The most commonly used preposition in English are at, in, to, by, of, on, until, over, near, with, till, into and so on. The two most type of prepositions are preposition of time and preposition of place. Now here is the exercise 8.1. Put in suitable preposition. First, I bought it dash a rupee, and the answer is for. Second, you may write dash pencil, and the correct answer is with, because with is used for as an instrument. Third, our cat was killed dash a dog, and the answer is by, because by is used as the agent, so in this statement dog is a agent. Fourth, put your books dash the table. We fill on because on is used for things at rest. Fifth, we went dash Shimla dash car, and the correct answer is to and by. Sixth, we have been waiting dash an hour, and the answer is for, because for is referred to a period of time. Seventh, he has been absent dash Monday, and the correct answer is since, because since is used for a point of time. Next one is wait dash me dash the bus stop, and the answer is for and at. We use at in small localities, towns and villages. Next one is there was a breeze dash the river, and the correct answer is over. Next one is she spoke dash me dash English, and the answer is to, and in next blank we fill in. We also use in used for the things at rest position. Next one is it has been raining dash yesterday, and the correct answer is since. 12th, they reached home dash midnight, and the answer is at. 13, I have been walking dash 3 hours, and the correct answer is for. 14, I have known him dash a long time, and the answer is for. 15, he goes to church on Sunday. 16, the river was flowing dash the breeze, and the correct answer is under. Next one is he started dash 6 dash the morning. In the blank we fill at and in. My dear students, rest of the question you have to do yourself, and do this question in your book. Exercise 8.2. Rewrite each question. Who is placed for whom? We can place whom as a who. My dear student, when a preposition governs a question words, that is when question words is the object of a preposition, the preposition is usually placed at the end of the sentence, and the use of whom after the preposition is avoided in spoken English. We can use who in the place of whom by putting the preposition at the end on the sentence as. First, to whom is she talking? And the answer is who is she talking to? We can replace whom as who, and we can replace the preposition at the end of sentence. So who is used in the beginning and to is used at the end of the sentence. Second, to whom should I write? And the answer is who should I write to? Third, for whom in this parcel? Who is this parcel for? Fourth, with whom was she dancing? Who was she dancing with? Fifth, at whom were they laughing? Who were they laughing at? Sixth, to whom should I address this letter? Who should I address this letter to? My dear student, do this question in your notebook. Question number 2, add the missing preposition. First, what is she talking? And the preposition is about. Second, what is butter made from? Third, who is this telegram for? Fourth, what are you waiting for? Fifth, what are they looking at or for? 6. What are you listening to? 7. What train shall we go by? 8. What are they laughing at? 9. What year was he born in? 10. Who is she writing this letter to? My dear student, do this question in your notebook. Question number 3. Open your book and look at the picture of page number 59. First, complete the sentence with the given preposition. Here the preposition are given. The woman is climbing dash and the correct answer is into. We use into for the things in motion. The house dash a window and the answer is through. There is a man dash the room and the correct answer is outside. He is walking dash and the answer is up the stairs. What can you see dash the room and the correct answer is in, because in is used for the things at rest. There is a briefcase dash the armchair. In first blank we use on and in second in front of the desk. The desk drawer is open. Can you see a camera in the drawer? There is a photograph on the desk on side of the phone. In front of the phone there is a big key. A brown cat is jumping off the desk into the floor. There is a large picture on the wall between two small pictures. Below the large picture there is a chair on the floor. On the chair there is a box next to. My dear student, do this question in your book only. Before start question number 2 of this questions, you have to open your English grammar book on page number 59 and look at the picture first and picture second. You can see the different picture and also you make the sentence and use of the preposition. My dear student, you can do this question in your notebook and you can make only the sentence. There is no need to make the picture. And that's all about this chapter. I hope you all learned this chapter very well. Thank you.